Welcome to Discovery at Home. Today, we're going to talk estimation. Estimation is like an educated guess, something you think really hard about and take a really good guess what it might be. I happen to have a jar full of push pins sitting around my house, and I wanted to use my estimation skills to see if I could guess how many push pins are inside of the jar. I have to think, how big are they? How much space does each one take up? Do they fill up the entire jar, just part of it? All these things I have to think about while I'm estimating so I can make a really good guess what it might be. So my challenge to you is find something around your house and then estimate how many items are inside of it. Then count it and see how close you are. This has been Discovery at Home. We'll see you next time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you to our friends at Topeka Collegiate School for your support of Discovery at Home.